Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to publish a GIF in a post in Padlet. Just open the app, open a post, or open a Padlet, wait a little bit, and then you will have to create a new post by clicking on the plus at the bottom of the page, and then you will see some options here at the bottom of the post, but we need something else, so click on the last button with the plus and the number on it and select GIF. Now you can specify what you want, like horse, pink. Maybe there will be such option, maybe not. Select one you prefer, tap on it, and then tap on publish. That's basically it. I hope it helps.